Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that more or less the market is behaving like a normal, typical Monday market. There is not much volatility. Gold middle of 2354 and right now standing at 2358. Importantly, we also have a news coming out tomorrow. Okay, we have a speech from the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, and on Wednesday we have CPI coming up. If you have been trading on forex, then you must be knowing that CPI is a major event, and before a major event like the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman, before CPI, usually market prefers to stay silent. So we can expect that Monday to be a silent Monday and there may not be much activity. So if the volatility of the market remains like this, then yes, the breakout and breakdown trades may not work, because to break any level, volume is extremely important. If volume is missing, then yes, market will find it difficult to break any level. In that case, we can look for quick reversal trades. But technically, if we look at a chart of gold here, then we can clearly see that we have a bullish flag here. If you are ever a bullish flag, because it's a very common technical pattern, then it's a trend continuation pattern. Means after a huge up move, market goes for consolidation, and when market breaks the flag again, we should go for a buy, because market continues the upside. So this is the theoretical part. And right now, if you look at the market sentiment, okay, now you can see gold steady supported by Fed rate cut hopes. Gold is overvalued now and won't help you beat inflation in coming years. Gold edges higher as market count on Fed rate cut hopes. So market is mostly waiting for news. If the CPI or the Federal Reserve Chairman's speech favors gold, then we may see the trend continuation on gold. Okay. After all, market sentiment is above all. Okay, so let's wait and watch, and you can expect the market to remain like this till tomorrow. Okay, so let's discuss the trading opportunities then. So if you are watching my videos for the first time, then yes, you can subscribe the channel and watch the video carefully. But if you already have watched the video that I uploaded on Saturday, then the major levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. Okay, things have not changed much, and if you want, you can also skip the video as well. Okay, so if the volatility of the market remains like this, then three levels are important at this moment. The three levels are 2340, 2350, and 2354. These are the three levels that are important for the day. If market drops with good selling pressure, we can expect 2340 to provide support to the market. 2340, you can see we have drawn FIBO here. Market has bounced from FIBO 0.236, so we are expecting the level to work again. Moreover, around 2340 we have the previous resistance working as support. Okay, and 2350, it's a round number, and if we change the starting point of FIBO, we can see that this is also a level that seems to be a good one, because this setup is also working. Market has bounced previously, so around 2350 also we can expect a bounce. See, I'm not talking about any trend reversal here, we are just simply discussing about bounces. If market comes down, observe the volatility. If the condition of the market remains like this, you can expect a bounce of at least 40 pips. Okay, once market hit 23550, it may bounce till 235455 and again go back. But when market will bounce, you can expect to make some money. Similarly, 2340 also seems to be a good level where we can expect a good bounce. Okay, because it is difficult to predict the trend reversal as of now, and after all, we are retail traders. We do not have the knowledge. Okay, we do not have the understanding of the market to predict the market, but still we can react according to the situation. So if market bounces from both the levels here, we can definitely expect a quick bounce where we can expect to make 40 pips. And what about 2354 then? Okay, during the day, especially during the US session, if market breaks 2354, okay, you can look for a quick sell of 30 pips. Why 30 pips only? Because see, we have the support around 2350, so obviously you need to exit by 2351. But make sure that okay, the selling pressure is high, means size of the candle should be big enough. Example, right now we have Asian session going on. There is not much volume in the market. So if you see also during the Asian session market going on, try to avoid a sell below 2354 because it may not work. Okay. And the level is okay, the exact level is 2354.50. Okay, you can look for a sell. Keep in mind volume is important. And my dear friends, if you do not have much time for a market, for analysis and all, what you can do is you can simply go to Dotbee. Dotbee is an AI-powered chatbot, but also provides the real-time analysis. You just go to their website like this. On the right-hand side, you will find the analysis, the real-time analysis. What you can do is you can simply install in this software on your computer from the browser here. See, this is so simple. Okay, and here you have the real-time analysis of gold here. And it is very useful for traders, okay, who do not have much time for analysis. For example, you can see that this article was just uploaded just 3 to 4 minutes ago, and you can see the first indicator is a bell toll pattern identified on the gold currency pair with a 50 minutes time frame. Okay, it's a long one. Okay, so we can have a detailed analysis like this, and Dotbee is very useful for busy persons. So hi dear friends, feel free to check out Dotbee. The link is in the description. It will be very useful for you. And as we have already discussed in our previous video, that if market breaks 2379, we can look for a buy above it as well. Okay, because it will be a buy at breakout. But the problem is that okay, right now market, though market is standing at 235, at 2379 seems to be a very far away level because of the lack of volume. Okay, so let's assume and we can expect also that before the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, chances of gold breaking 2379 are very less. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And if you are looking for some risky opportunities, then my dear friend, you can look for a risky sell of 20-25 pips around 2363 and 2366 as well. Okay, let me write it down. 2366. So these are the two levels where we can look for a quick sell of 20-25 pips, not more than that, before the US session. Why before the US session? Because we also need to keep this in mind that overall the trend of the market is very much bullish. Okay, and taking a trade against the trend of the market is always a huge risk, especially if you are new to the market, because if you're expecting a quick sell of 20 pips and after taking the trade, okay, if you see that suddenly market forms a big green candle of 70-80 pips, then obviously you will be trapped. Okay, and this is the main reason, okay, I always tell you about to follow the trend of the market, because if you follow the trend of the market, chances of market forming a huge sudden candle is quite less. Okay, anyways, okay, if you have the risk appetite, if you're experienced enough, then you can look for a quick sell of 20-25 pips around 2366.50, 2363 before the US session, because US session will come with volume and it will be difficult for you. Okay, so you can see that we are using this level because of many factors here, but it's a lower time frame, so not very reliable. We have FEMA 38.2% retracement level, and also the previous support will be acting as resistance. We also have the dynamic resistance. So if you combine all the factors, okay, chances are there that we will be getting our 20 pips around this area, but it's a risky one. If you're new trader, avoid it. Just wait for the market to bounce from these two areas. Okay, and if market breaks 234546 level, a sell may come, but you can also avoid. Personally, I will avoid because overall the trend of the market is very much bullish. And lastly, my dear friends, okay, couple of days ago, okay, I told you guys that okay, I have a solution for the Indian traders, okay, who are looking for a reliable broker, because see, at one point traders who are trading with Okta or Xness will be facing some trouble. because of legal problems. Okay, because they have become very big. Okay, they have become too popular. So obviously, government has their eyes on it. Though we have started our own company, okay, in Dubai, 7th Street Corporation, but due to regulatory compliances, we won't be able to provide service to the residents of India. Okay, but one of my friend has opened his own company in Dubai. Okay, Voco Market. Okay, if you want, you can check out our website. I'll paste down the link in the description. Okay, and yes, you can expect some good service from Voco markets. Okay, especially if you're from India, and maybe by Wednesday I will be having a live session on Instagram. If you want, then you can also join to ask me about Voco market. And as I'm going to Dubai, okay, on Thursday, okay, and after a few days, obviously I'll be going to his office to meet him, and I can show you everything. Okay, I know him for last 4 or 5 years, and you can also join the Instagram live session to ask questions directly to him. Okay, so feel free to check out Voco market. Okay, I think it can be a solution for you if you're looking for a proper reliable broker from India. The best part is that the minimum deposit is less, and also the spread is very tight. Okay, thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.